Even though he's good looking, and I know he's going to cause a lot of confusion amongst my children.
Back off! Even more convinced that the atrocities rumored about you and the king are true, Your Majesty.
Your Majesty!
The princess just
committed suicide! God! Someone just fell off the fucking
Show me you desire.
The Kingdom. Produced by Christopher Ozemena and directed by Ifeanyi Boye DGN.